The compass points to the first missing color, red, so the friends hop onto their leaf glider and soar toward the fiery red volcano realm, ready for their first big adventure.